I'm Jennifer and I'm so glad you're here. Welcome if you're new, and welcome back to all my favorite YouTube friends. I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe. Today, I'm going to be decorating for spring. I am so excited to get my home refreshed for spring. The first thing I'm going to do is hang up a beautiful green eucalyptus wreath in my front entryway. I have a cozy bench with a couple of neutral throw pillows. The touch of greenery is so nice for spring, and I have a couple of accessories here on this table that also remind me of spring. Moving on into my dining room, I'm going to decorate this buffet. I've already added a couple of lamps. These concrete flower pots with a little bit of greenery will add a really nice touch to this table. Rabbits always remind me of spring, so I'm going to add a couple of little rabbits onto the table with the greenery and the potted plants. On the opposite corner of my dining room, I've added a little bit of greenery to this cabinet. This adds a little bit more color to the dining room. This large white vase full of tulips will be beautiful on my dining room table. Now moving on to the kitchen, I want to add some touches of spring, but I want to keep everything nice and bright and light. I'm going to set out my favorite piece of pottery. This is a piece of pottery from Mud Pie, and I really love this large platter. I'm going to set this white rabbit right beside the large white platter. The only plate stand I had happened to be black, so I'm just going to take some craft paint and I'm just going to go ahead and touch this up and give this a little bit of white paint. I'll go back later with some spray paint and repaint that little stand. It looks so much better in white. If something isn't working for you, just recreate it with a little bit of paint. This cabinet used to be a terrible dark burgundy maroon color. It is so nice now that I've painted it in a bright white. I'll add a little touch of color with this beautiful little vase that I purchased in Germany. My husband chose these beautiful spring towels with daisies to go in our kitchen. I thought they were perfect for spring. Here on the other side of my kitchen, I'm going to be adding my recipe box. I always keep it really handy. Spring always reminds me of weddings as well. I'm going to put this beautiful picture of my daughter and son-in-law right here in the kitchen because their 4th wedding anniversary is coming up soon. And it is so exciting to see this and remember what a wonderful occasion this was. To tie in with the other side of the kitchen, I'll add this white rabbit and one more little touch of greenery. For my coffee table, I've chosen this large woven tray with this small floral arrangement in a clay pot. I love to have candles in my living room in the evening, so I'll just add a candle right here beside the tray and a large rabbit with a smaller coordinating rabbit right on the tray. Some soft green velvety pillow covers will be the perfect addition of color to my sofa. In the breakfast area of my kitchen, I've added this large hydrangea flower arrangement in a large white crock. I also have a white tray with a couple of coordinating bunnies that I purchased this year from Michael's. The green table runner adds a little bit more green to the room. I also have a couple more slip-covered pillows in this breakfast area. This little flower pot coordinates with the kitchen towels. I love decorating the bedrooms as well, so I'll add a touch of spring to each of the nightstands. Side table in my living room, I've added a family photo and a rustic white frame, and I'll add this beautiful white rabbit. To tie my kitchen in with my dining room, I have a second coordinating vase with white tulips. so happy you were here. I had so much fun decorating my home for spring. I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.